Do you see my screen? Right. So open your SAP, right? All of you open SAP, right? Recording started now. Save. Data will go to database. This is database. SAP database. Data will call it here. Okay. This is the code what we have written module 1. Once you click on save button, which event will trigger? For example, at every screen now, this is the flow, right? Screen here. Okay, here EBO process before all. PEI process. Which event will trigger? Once we click this button here, save button now, which event will trigger? PBO or PE? What is PBO? What is PE? Anyone can tell? Full abbreviation of PBO and PA?
Process before the output of the screen.
Correct. Correct.
Process after input.
Correct. Very good. Very good. So this block will execute before screen comes to us, and this process will execute once you do any action on the screen here, like any button you click. Okay, this is what I showed in the last classes. So get into a SAP system. That is what we have done here. Transactions, screens here, right? Check here. Go to screen, layout. Okay, here, insert to exit. And what are the other buttons I said to add here? Which are the other buttons? Insert to update to exit, modify here, modify, right? Push button 3 here. And what is the purpose of using the FCT code here? Anyone can tell?
It will show the runtime into the system.
Good, very good. So in the runtime, this value will come into system variable. Insert, exit, modify, delete also. Delete. So text will come heading of delete. One, two, three, push button 4. Delete. Or you can do delete also. Insert to modify, delete, update also. Update. right? Update. Okay, and exit we have given. If you want clear the screen, you can give also one more button. Clear the values on the screen. Push button 5, 6, this button 6. Anything you can give here, not mandatory to give 6, maybe 6. Clear. Okay. Anyone can tell me what is the difference between modify and update? So this is the whole entire IT industry runs on this concept only. Okay, here insert update, modify, delete. Anyone can tell difference between insert will, this is database, right? This is database. This is SAP data database. What this insert will do? Anyone?
It will add one record to the database.
It will add the records into the database. Insert the records into the database tables. Second one,
It improves the existing information.
it will update the existing record.
Mm.
It will update the existing record. Modify. What is the difference between update and modify? Anyone can think and tell me? Hmm? What is the difference between modify and delete? Sorry, insert, update and modify. Think.
Sir, update will be used to change the existing record, but modify, if we want to, if the record is present, it will change, else it will insert that record.
Very good. Very good. It will modify if the record is existing with the same primary key. Okay, na? This with the same primary. If not, it will work as insert statement. We will insert one record but we will insert record into database. Records into the database. Delete will be, what is the purpose of delete? It will delete the existing records. And the select statement will bring the data. Without this, no IT industry. You take YouTube, you take Facebook, you take LinkedIn, you take Instagram, you take anything. This is your select statements to fetch the data from database. The core of entire IT database statements. If we take Facebook, okay, or YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, okay, or anything you take backend logic will be some of the below statements will execute. You understood? Hello? This whole entire IT industry, not SAP only. Database. Understood?
Yes.
If we are very thorough of all these concepts, though, it's very, very, very interesting, the IT. Do it parallel with me. We have done already this one. Okay. Modify statement. For example, what we do, go to here, modify code here, go to the code, go to the code. Anyone can tell what I should write statement here, modify. This is I have written for insert, exit. How to write the code for the remaining buttons? This is the input. Oh, I have not updated. That's why it's not reflecting. Activate now. Now, if I execute this, it will reflect here. Okay, right? Okay. Tell me now what I should do. Write here the code. Anyone? Tell me all the buttons. Update, modify, delete. Anyone?
Same as the insert, so like instead of insert, we have to write update.
Correct. Very good. Correct. Very good. Else if this is important, right? Else if is important condition. Else if component equal to modify. I don't know. I give modify or not. Will this will work or not? Check it here. What I have given. Here screens layout. Okay. What is that modify given statement here? MOD. I should give MOD. 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 Instead of insert, modify. Else if else if delete. Delete. Okay. Insert, modify, delete, update. Else if as per if you com equal to modify. Same modify here. Okay. Else if as per if com clear. Oh, right. Insert already we have done. Modification we will do here. Okay. Modification this table, right? This is the table. Go to S11. Right here. Here I will change the value, second record. Instead of KZ, I will change it to bag. Okay, now M200. M. So what I do is Yes, I think one more I will get the data also. I think one more button. Go to here, back. Okay, back. Go to screen. Go to layout here. Okay. So I will one more get the data. Get the record from the database. Okay. Push button 7. Push button 7. Okay. And for this one, get, I will write here. For get select statement, I will write. Go to here. Else if s for if and ucom equal to get. Okay. Select single star from Mara where MITNR is equal to hyphen MITNR. So right side is the screen field's value here. This is the screen field value. This is screen field value. This is screen field value. Left side is the database table. Here. Quick syntax. Activate. Not star from Mara, right? This should be this table. Space here. Okay, activate this now. All right. Now what I do is I will execute this transaction code. Execute. Okay. First I will give the material number here. Here the material number is coming from the table. It is not coming from our table here. Okay. For that, what we can do is we can attach the match code object. Observe carefully, it's a very good concept. I can create one new match code object. Search help, S11. If I go to here, search help, I can give with this name. Search help. Click on create. Element is search help. Okay. Search help. Search help. I can go here the table name here. And I can choose the fields here of my own table, what I created. Okay. Save it now. Package. Save it. Save it. I can give this as export parameter. Okay. Check syntax. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now copy this. I can attach this search help. Go to here. Go to the screen. Go to here. Go to screen number. Go to the layout here. Double the material number here. Search help name. This is my search help name here. I copy this here. Okay. Save it now. Save it. Do you see my screen?
No, sir.
Yes, because I stopped. Now, now you can see.
Yes.
Okay, see here. Now go to here, activate, execute, execute. Okay, checks now. Only our materials only is coming, right? Understood? Hello?
Yes, sir.
If I choose this, click on get from dictionary, data will come. I will change it to, instead of kg, I will change it to bag here for this record. And I click on modify, right? Successfully completed. Where you can check it that, go to database. Material number 100, right? Go to here. Material number 100, refresh here. Do you see the bag is come value? Are you observing?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right? Once, if you have success, right, you want to get a message. We don't know whether it's successfully executed or not. For that, what you can go here is, it's where your application of what you learned will come into picture. Here, modify, right? If we go to here, go to here, go to here, modify, right? Once it is modified, how do you know it is modified success or failure? Modify is completed successfully or failure. How do we know? Based on what concept? Which field will give?
Yes,
Same
sir.
thing.
Sabas.
Space numbers. Plus equal to 0. Message. Okay. Success. success 100 and message class. Material validation. Okay, we can create a message class. Go to here, double click here. S100 means success 100. Click on S. Go to here, save it, save it. Okay, you can go to message number 100. Data changed successfully. Save it now. Okay. No activation because it's not any syntax here. No check syntax. End model, end if, right? Yeah. Check syntax. Activate. Okay. Now again execute here. Transaction code. Execute. Okay. Same process I will do. Material number 100. Get data. Instead of bag, I will make it to KZ now. KZ. Okay. Modify. Modify statement not message not coming here. We'll put a breakpoint. Go to here. Go to here. A breakpoint here. S100. Data change successfully. Import here. A breakpoint. Modify it here. I'll give international message. Yeah. Stop. Execute. Execute. Okay. Give the material number. I'll make it to bag. Modify. With breakpoint not triggering. Okay. Activate. Execute. Execute. Okay. Give the material number. Get data. Okay. So first select statement will execute. Then click on modify. Okay. Control is here. Go to here. Modify. Okay. Okay. Why I have written here? It should be here, right? Modify. This should be update, I think. Right? What is SY value here? Mod. It should be here. Restart. Exit. Mhm. Go to here, go to here, go to here. This should be here. How did I found? Because in debug only I could found. This should be update. This modify. This should be the update here. Update. Yeah. And then write the update statement here. Save it now. Activate. Success message. Activate. Remove the breakpoint. Breakpoint. Execute. Execute. Can give the materials data. Get the data from database. And then here I'll modify to install back to KZ, for example. Do you see here below data change successfully? Hello?
Yes.
Interesting?
Yeah.
Right? The user now will get more clarity, right? Otherwise, if without this, user don't know whether it's completed or not, right? So remaining buttons you can do it. Huh? I'll give this code.
Okay, sir.
So this PBO also I will explain what is the PBO. PBO purpose is to assign the default values. I'll go to here. I'll comment here. Okay. I can write here process. Sorry. Module assign default values. Inside this module, right, we can assign the default value here. Click on S, write in the same program without creating the extra program. Go to here, right here now. Table name, hyphen field name equal to values. Suppose. What the table name? This is the table name. And this is the table name. Okay, I'll go to here. Hyphen median or equal to. I can write material number 1 default material. Okay, like this I'll write. Let's see what will happen now. Text syntax. Activate. Execute. Do you see? It has come default value here. Hello? This is the flow, right? Because here, this is flow. This code will execute and screen will come to you. I'll put a breakpoint here. Go to here, exit, go to screen, here. I'll put a breakpoint here. Stop. No. Okay. Now I will execute. See, the moment I will execute, what happens is, before this screen comes to the user, to us, this code will execute. So control will stop here now because I put a breakpoint. Go to here, execute. Okay, see, control came here now. This value screen field, this here you are assigning screen field value. Execute. That has come. Okay. Now I will change the value. M200. Okay. And get the data. Data has come. M for M20. But why the material number is coming same? Initial step, initial value only. Can take this one as a homework.
This one.
By every time the material number is coming same, even after change. Are you getting the point here or not? Hello? I remove the breakpoint now. Again, I'll explain here. I remove the breakpoint. Exit. I'll remove the breakpoint scale number 100 here. Go to here, assign here, activate here. Now if I execute, okay, first the value has come here now. Okay, I am going to modify here the value. Material number 200. For that data should come from the database table. It is coming, observe carefully. With complete concentration only, we'll understand this one. Click on get from database. Data has come. But see, all remaining fields has come correct, but material number is coming as same default only. Every time. Understood? Question understood? Go through this and try to find out the reason for this. Okay, na? By next class. Exit. Okay. One more thing is you can also place your own push buttons. For that, what you should do is go to here. Okay. You can go to here. Here. Status, module status, uncomment here. Double click here. Click on yes. Choose the master program. Enter. Enter. Okay. You can create your own screen new menu items here. You can go here, custom GUI. Right here. Custom GUI here. We have done this similar thing earlier. Double click here. It will not because all should be caps must here. Double click here. Click on S. Okay, here custom GUI. Enter. Okay, save it now. You can create here a menu bar. You can give your own menu bar. Click on my choice. Double click here. To make it simple, only I'll create two buttons here. Create a material creation, MCR. Okay, create new material. Go to MM01 otherwise. Okay. Material change, MCH. Material change, MCH. MCH. Go to MM02. Okay. Save it now here. This two is enough. MCR, MCH. Remember, this code we should capture. An application toolbar, if you want, you can put here. Suppose you want to put go to sales order, for example. Okay. VA01. Function text, create sales order. If you want icon, you can choose the icon here. What is the transaction code for creating the sales order? Anyone tell? For creating the sales order, if you want to create like a material and all, what the transaction code we use to create a sales order? Enter. Rupa, you should tell. What is sales order creation transaction?
Yes.
V01, correct. When this error comes, right, what do you use? Double click here. Double click here. Click on S. Okay, activate. Now you see the skin, how it looks. Execute here. Do you see my choice came here?
Yes.
And sales order also button also has come here. This will not work now, right? Because I have not written the code, right? Hello?
Yes.
For that, what I do, go to here, go to here, go to here, write one more else if condition here. Else if specify if ucom equal to material create M CR, right? I give call transaction MM01 here. Okay. Else if specify if ucom equal to MCH material change. Then call the transaction MM02. Call transaction MM02. Okay. Else if specify hyphen ucom equal to, we are given VA01 also. VA01 call transaction VA01. Save it. Save it. Activate. Okay, done. Now go to here. Execute. Want to go to here, go to here, go to MM01. To go to MM01. If you want to go to MM02, go to MM02. Okay. We want to go to sales, create sales order. Click on create sales order. This is VA01. Clear, interesting this one? Hello?
Yes.
Very interesting, right?
Yes.
Click on here. Here, right, I was telling that clear means will clear the data from the screen here. I'll take this material number. First get the data. Then click on clear. Clear will clear the screen data here, this one. Okay, I'll put a breakpoint also if you want to explain. Again, I'll put here. Get from data. Okay. I'll put a breakpoint. You can put a breakpoint like this also, /h. /h means line by line debugging now. Okay. If I click on clear button, it goes to here, control. Here. This is standard code. Click on F7. F7. Now it goes to here. Go to here. Okay. I clicked on clear button here. See here. Clear button. Tell me which line will be true. I click the clear button now. Here in this if conditions, which line become true? Which line trigger now? Where is the control?
Line number 15.
15. Now, SYUCOM value is, you can check it here, SYUCOM. Double click here. What is the value? Clear. Tell me now which line it will go the control. This will fail or not? Line number 15 statement will fail or not? Fail, right? Next.
Fails.
This also will fail, right? This also will fail. This also will fail. Sorry, this will success. Okay, na? This clear means clear the data on the screen fields, this one. So now the value is there here, this value. These values will be gone now here. Once you clear, these values will go. These are the fields here. Desktop 3, F6. See, now data is gone. Not from the table, from the screen fields. Done. Clear?
Yes.
Modify, right?
Yes.
Clear, right? Even the modify concept also, if I want to just try once again to explain you, get data. Okay. Now if I click on, instead of KZ, if I give the back, click on modify, data will go to, control will go to there. I think I have not put a breakpoint. Go to here, put a breakpoint. It's very ultimate code, the whole code what we have written. I'll put a breakpoint here. Stop. Okay. Activate. Execute. Now change the material number here. Get from the database. Okay. So SYUCOM value is get. Get means which line will go the control?
36.
36. Very good. Very good. 36. Okay. Exactly tell me 37 what is doing. You exactly tell me what is doing 36. 37. Tell me, no problem. Even wrong also no issue.
You're selecting one record from the database. We're
Correct. One
selecting
record will bring the database for given value in the screen. This is the value entered in the screen here. Here. This one. For this value, it is going to get the data from the database table. Understood here?
Yes.
Don't confuse here. This is not a table data. This is the screen field data. This got one record. Okay. So if I click on here, exit, it comes out of this exit. I can write comments here, some comments here. It will be easy for you to understand. I'll write here this comment here. Here. The below module is to design custom screen. Sorry, custom GUI, graphical user interface, like our own menu or push buttons on the toolbar. Okay. And the below module is, anyone can tell what the below module? Anyone? Line number 6, what I should write? What it is going to do this one? Can anyone tell terminology?
We'll assign the default.
To assign the default values, to assign the default values to the screen fields before before screen, or I can, that is keep, I think better, to assign the default values to the screen fields. Okay, and this one, remember what I should write here. Below model, what is doing? Below model, we will handle all the push buttons or menu buttons actions. Right? Clear, right? It makes sense now? More clear?
Yes, sir.
Double click here. Why it is not going here? Okay, here. Activate here. When you come this error, right? Double click, cancel this one. Double click here. Activate here. Okay. What I should write here? This insert statement. Anyone can tell? Below statement will add one record into the database table. Okay. After from this will have the scheme fields. It is like work area. Clear? And here also, what I can write here, modify statement. Modify statement. Below statement will modify the record based on the scheme fields. Scheme fields data. Okay. This contains scheme fields. Okay, remember that. This contains screen data. Okay. Left side is database table, right side is the scheme fields. Clear? Understood? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think why I given two statement not required here. When I copied it went, I think. Here. All right. Delete. The below statement will delete the records. Record, not records, because one record only. Delete the record based on the screen field. Screen fields values. The below statement will update the record into the database table based on the screen fields. Okay. These remaining things are self-explanatory, right? Below call transaction and all. Check syntax. Activate now. Now how to give the copy this code? Wait. Activate. Better I'll give the print skin. Or you want a code? Control C. Control V. Okay. Again Control A. Control C. Go to our group. And again copy. Only 1 minute. Hold on. I will give the code in few minutes.